Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up Apple Cash on your iPhone. Firstly, ensure you live in the US, have a compatible Apple device and enable two-factor authentication on your Apple ID. Now, you need to add the card to Apple Pay. Go to Settings, Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap Add Card and follow the prompts to add a new card. Under Transaction Defaults, tap Default Card and select your preferred payment card. Just avoid using Apple Cash as default. Set another card as the default to avoid running out of funds on large transactions. You can manually select the Apple Cash card for specific payments only, or you can select which payments you want to go on your account. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.